In our first video, we built a scan that had two conditions. That is, buy when the fast moving average rises above the slow moving average, and sell when the fast moving average falls below the slow moving average. Usually, however, we want to base our buy-sell decisions on multiple conditions. This video will explain how to use multiple conditions in one scan. For example, you want to buy or sell when this happens, and this happens, and this happens. In other words, all conditions must happen to buy or sell. Alternatively, you want to buy or sell when this happens, or this happens, or this happens. In other words, any condition must happen to buy or sell. Basically, to achieve this, we simply need to place conditions in one strategy to AND them. Alternatively, place conditions in separate strategies to OR them. To put that another way, all conditions in a strategy must happen for that strategy to trigger. Further, any strategy triggering can cause a buy or sell. So let me illustrate by way of example. We'll go back to our original scan and modify it to add in multiple conditions. If we want to now buy because of three conditions, then we need to add those three conditions into this strategy. So we'll add in our second condition by right-clicking the word conditions, choosing insert, and we'll type in, our condition will be the close of today is greater than the close of yesterday. So now we have two conditions. Well, let's add in another condition, and that will be the RSI is less than 30. Now you can see we have three conditions. For this strategy to fire and for us to buy, these three conditions must be true. Alternatively, we might like to sell if this condition is true, or another condition is true, or another condition is true. To do that, we must put each condition in a separate strategy. So let's add in a second sell long strategy. Choose insert, sell long. So here's our second sell long strategy. If we go and have a look, there is the default condition in there which we will delete. However, we need to add in our second sell condition. So we right click conditions, choose insert, and this time we will look for the close of today is less than the close of yesterday 20% lower. And we can delete our default condition by right-clicking, choosing delete. Now we have our second condition for selling. Let's add in another one. This time we'll use the RSI in reverse. Right-click, choose insert, RSI 0.14 is greater than 70. Delete our default condition, and now we have three sell conditions. We can add in as many as we like. For example, we can add in a trailing stop loss type condition. Right click, choose insert, and this time we want the close of today is less than the highest high over 32 bars and 20% below that. Delete our default condition. So now you can see when the close is 20% below the highest high over 32 bars. Now, it will only buy when the conditions in this strategy are true. However, it will sell when either the conditions in this strategy are true, or the conditions in this strategy are true, or this strategy, or strategy. It's as simple as that. Thank you.